down, because look at what just happened to gold and EJ. Gold is shooting to the moon. Now, if you guys watched the previous stream, we actually predicted this move. Let's just quickly check it out. Look at this. Let me increase this higher quality. Play it. 9th of March. It has not had a retracement just yet. So that is my current issue. What are your thoughts? 1,800. Let me skip forward. We did expect it. We did expect price to just reject off the 1,900 level, break above, and retest. That was another possibility we talked about. But I remember saying, especially on this video, you see where's gold, I'm so hyped up. I am so shocked as to what is currently happening. Later on, I don't see why not. Okay, but look at this. I'm starting to lose. I'm starting to lose my head. Like, this was pinpoint accuracy. Do you see this zone I drew out right here? While I was doing the stream with my special guest Roshan, I drew on this zone and it absolutely retested and went back up. It's crazy. I'm trying to find the arrow that I drew on. Where is it? Oh, I think I drew it on like the next day, like today. Oh, shoot, it doesn't matter. Okay, anyways, but I remember drawing this on, and this is such a perfect retest. I drew this counter trend line. Price came down here, retested this flip area, which is this equal body on the 4-hourly, and on the daily, it's a daily wick. Look at how perfect the test is. I'm losing it. This is crazy. Unfortunately, I did not take the trade because okay, I'm a bit pissed off, but it's fine. We'll miss trade sometimes. But I remember price retesting to this point. I need to show you guys something. This is actual proof. I texted my friend Roshan and I was like, bro, price is retesting the key interest area that we were talking about yesterday. Let me just show you guys. Hold on. What? I'm just gonna open WhatsApp right here. Doesn't matter. I was texting him just a few hours earlier saying, hey, look, I think it's about time that we buy. And I was just waiting for minor structure. I never expected gold to shoot up like that. This is one of like the greatest thing I've seen, and I'm really grateful I can like film it live. Okay, let's see. Let's hurry up. We don't have much time. On, hurry up. Roshan was so lucky. He entered exactly where we were talking about. He entered. He's profiting massively right now. Where was it? Let's see. Okay, this is about GU. I was at Starbucks at this point. I was at Starbucks and I was looking to take the trade. I was like, okay, I'm a bit tired and I don't think prices will move just yet. So I like got on my bike and I was like riding home. And the move completely happened on the way home. Like, it's crazy. Where is it? Yeah, see? Right when price came here, I was like sending a screenshot at this point. See, it was like 4:13. It is currently now 8:26. I was like, gold retracing, deeper retracement, expected to bounce off 1890 level. Just touched it. Gold, he's saying like gold is doing exactly what we said in the last stream. So if you guys missed it, damn, you like, this is why I named it must watch before it's too late. It is really too late right now. Like, price, even I missed it. Like, it's my own bad, but it is what it is. But I was really expecting this. I drew this on right before price just shoot up. it's crazy waiting. And see, I was waiting for a structure. I told him I'm not gonna enter just yet because I'm waiting for structure. But damn, it just shot up, and then I was freaking out. I was freaking out, and he just took the trade, so he's super lucky. And yeah, okay, this is something that didn't make sense to me. Like in the beginning, I didn't know why gold was increasing so massively and USD is going up as well. But I realized one thing. When I looked at all the charts, if you were to look at, for example, let's just look at all the indexes. You see, dollar is going up quite strongly. Euro is going down. Euro gap down. Okay, Euro gap down. The pound gap down as well. Swiss franc. This Swiss franc? Yeah, Swiss franc gap down. Like, okay, everything is gapping down. But normally when gold is going up, it means that USD is getting weaker. But in this case, they're both going up. It does not make sense. Then I really thought about it. I was like, okay, if gold is going up, and then if you were to look at EURJPY, okay, this was some testing I was doing. EURJPY, Euro has absolutely crashed, and now Euro has crashed across the board. Euro USD absolutely crash. Euro AUD absolutely crash. Like Euro is crashing to hell at this point. But I realized one thing: the Japanese yen is fairly strong. Okay, Japanese yen. Let's look at AUD JPY. Japanese yen is strong. What else? GBPJPY. Japanese yen is strong. So what is the correlation between gold, USD, Japanese yen, as well as just one more? Okay, not this. GBPCHF. Or Swiss franc, not really. Okay, but what is the correlation between Japanese yen, gold, and USD? What are these three like instruments? What do they represent? Then I thought of it. It took me an hour plus to think of it, but I realized they're safe haven currencies. Safe haven currencies. And I just had a short call with Roshan just few moments before I started the stream, like super last minute, and I realized, okay, this could be because of the Silicon Valley Bank. They're crashing, and okay, here's something super funny. You guys look at my screen. Look at this. Look at this. Just 1 or 2 hours ago, I was looking at this. Oh, gold struggles to maintain momentum below. Blah blah blah. Gold bounces back as credit, and then after they say gold bounces back, they say the gold rally eases as the bonds yield climbed. What is so easing about this? This is shot to the moon. So apparently investors are really looking at safe haven assets currently, especially Japanese yen, gold, and the USD. So this is a special moment in history. I haven't seen too much of this, but to see gold and USD increase at the same time is massive. It's a massive thing. And I haven't seen that in a very long time. So you can see I'm trying to figure out what happened. There was no special events today. Absolutely no special event. Like I was looking at this, okay, it happened around 5 p.m. in my time zone, and Euro, it was just yellow news. Yellow news normally means low impact, but it seems that we'll I think a massive impact because of this. Like this red impact doesn't even make sense. I even texted few like top traders. I texted Swaggy C and Alex FSG. Sorry, Alex FXG, as well as Arman Nat, and oh, they still haven't replied. I mean, they don't know who I am yet. I was hoping they're gonna make a video of this, but if they're not gonna do it, I'm gonna do it first. They're probably sleeping since they're in the US right now. But whatever TradingView is saying, or the gold rally cited in the previous stream, if you haven't checked it out and you guys want to see the proof, go check it out on the NCBFX training channel. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. watch it before it's too late. It's far too late right now. But if price were to close above this, our next target area for gold is the 1950 level. It's at this point, it's already expected. It's already expected. Oh, perfect retest. Perfect retest. Missed out on a lot of profits today. A lot. But it is. Let me quickly off everything else so like everything will move faster. Let's see. Okay, yeah, price is breaking above. And for EJ, okay, EJ has absolutely crashed. Euro is crashing. Euro is crashing. It's simply just crashing. If you were to look at a 4-hourly candle, you realize how big of a move this is. This is basically, as of current standpoint and price, 402 pips. You know how much that is? 402 pips. It's mental. It's mental. I'm gonna just leave that on there because that's what I was trying to test. It was my strategy. But let's put that completely aside. Let's remove all drawings. Do you realize how big of a move this is? This is engulfing so many 4-hourly candles. Okay, let's just take all this. Okay, let's see how many bars it engulfed up to here. It engulfed 15 bars. I'm not sure you guys can see. Let's move it down. We do from body to body of current price. It engulfed all of this. So it engulfed the previous 15 bars, which is 4 days and 11 hours in one 4-hour candle. That is crazy. If we were to look in 1 hour as well. Ooh, shaking. This is a live reaction of what is currently happening. Okay, looking at this, if not mistaken, on the part 2 or part 3, so let me just quickly check. First of all, 69. Okay, this, oh my, it's so slow. Don't mess with me, guys. I was on Reddit, Twitter, Discord. I'm trying to figure out what actually happened, and my best bet and my best explanation is the safe haven assets going up, and the riskier assets, you could say euro, it's going out of trend. It's not to say going out of trend, but it's not favorsome as the current moment. I think it's part 2. Part two. Let me quickly mute this. Internet is so slow, it's pissing me off. Want to increase this to 780p so you guys can see very clearly. Above GBP, we're still at GBP, green. Let's see what I said. Covering my own face. Fine. GBPCHF. Right here. It's here. Yeah, EURJPY. Let's skip forward. You bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. Look at the 145 level. That was the level we're looking for. I don't know if we predicted that correctly, but I remember saying in my previous streams that I do expect EJ to go down because, okay, initially I thought it was going to be a retracement, and okay, in this point I was talking about a buy all the way up to the 140, 145, or perhaps higher. But I did expect price to react at a 145, just not in that particular way. I skipped it. Okay, but let me explain what I was looking at earlier today. You guys can go check out all the 3 parts. It's not going to take long. It's definitely full of gems because we're not just analyzing charts, we're giving key tips. So definitely check it out. Go subscribe. If you love the content we're doing right here, just go like, subscribe, share, because it will really help the YouTube algorithm, and you guys are getting gems for free. Absolutely free. I'm not charging anything. So this is good gems. Anyways, back to EJ. Let's bring the drawings back. Okay, while I was looking at this, I was thinking, okay, this was the strategy I was testing. I was like, oh, okay, since I knew price was gonna test this, I just knew it. I placed a dummy trade because I wasn't awake. I wasn't on the charts at this time. Okay, unfortunately. And yeah, I was waiting for the retest, but it never happened, and it shot all the way up. So I was thinking, okay, if I were to scale down onto the 15-minute chart, like if I know a level is going to be tested, might as well I can take all the minor 15-minute trades towards that level. I was like, okay, where could I have taken a trade? Okay, right here, which was at 1:45 in my time zone. I thought, oh, okay, this. So I just played this dummy trade. I didn't actually enter this trade because I wasn't online at the time. I was like, okay, price is 100% going to react here. So I put the stop loss. I mean, I put the take profit right on the dot, 145. Then, like, since I don't have any risk in this, I didn't really pay attention to it. But the very moment on the hourly, I saw this shooting star formation, like super close, 145. If you were to look all the way back on 4 hourly, wicks off of this 145 key level. This is not a joke, guys. I want to highlight it for you guys because this is so important. It came wicked. This is a stupidly strong, what do you call this, an evening star. I'm losing my words because this is one of the key moments in Forex history. I wouldn't say it's the biggest, but it's the key moments. And it basically, oh look, this is another prediction on EURJPY. I was like, okay, oh, I remember. Look at what I wrote down yesterday. I'm sure you guys can see. Focus EURJPY. I knew that price going to react on the 90 flat level. Sorry if I'm really noisy, I'm really loud, but this is something I need to express myself because this is amazing to me. The prediction that we are doing, although I missed the trade, the prediction I did, my good friend Roshan, was pinpoint accuracy. Maybe not all because price changes and biases changes, but the ones that we really focused on, especially EURJPY, what's going on right here, was key on point. And gold, the 1860 level. Is it 1860? 1890? Yeah, 1890. Quickly check. Yeah, 1890. Yeah, I was really expecting this. Same for EURJPY. Those were my two focus pairs. Now, price really just tested another shooting star formation, moving down 1 hourly. Look at that, evening star formation. Did not enter this because you know what I was doing? I was focusing on my GBPUSD trade, which unfortunately I got stopped out. It's really unfortunate. I really got stopped out. Pinpoint accuracy, it's fine. We'll learn from mistakes. But okay, to be really fair, I never expected this. Well, I'm not sure if I'm stopped out here. I got stopped out for the scaling trade, 100%. In my defense, I wanted to hold the trade because I saw like price was respecting. So in my thought process, I was like, okay, price is respecting it. It tried to close below, it still failed. I was in the trade up to this point. I was in the trade up to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. is when I decided to leave Starbucks, go home. So this whole thing happened while I was out. Really unfortunate, but it is what it is. Remember, guys, you will miss out trades like this. It happens. But I'm not gonna hold myself over this. I'm gonna focus on the next trade. But regarding this, I was so focused on GBPUSD. It's like I was so worried about this trade. So this whole consolidation area really messed with my psychology. Because I was like, oh damn, it's gonna hit. Oh no, it's not hitting. Oh, it's back in profit. Oh, so it really messed with my psychology, and it made me lose focus for the other pairs that could have gained opportunities. So that's a key lesson for myself, and I hope that you guys do not repeat my mistake. This is the whole purpose of this channel, is for you guys to watch me do the mistake. I'm the one losing money, not you guys, and you learn from my mistake. So I really hope that you learn this right now. Go note it down in a book. Note it down right now. This is no exception. Note it down. And yeah, I lost. I was like, okay, or if the 4-hour closes below this, I expect a large retracement. But it closed, but it absolutely just crashed. It just crashed. I think I'm still in this trade. Let me quickly check. Because you can never know. Price can just wick you out anytime, especially with the spread in large moves like this. According to TradingView, the spread is not that large, around 2 pips as of the current moment. But let me just quickly check. Oh, we are still in the long-term trade. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Whatever it is. I do not want to close out my trades, although it would be wiser to do so. I do not want to close it out because I want to stay strict with my strategy. If it hits stop loss, it hits stop loss. It hits take profit, it hits take profit. I'm not going to stop it halfway just because, oh shit, you know what I mean? Because I want to be I want to learn from my strategy. I want to be sure, okay, in the future, once I learn from this, I'll be able to, okay, this is a probable area for take profit, and this is where I should be placing my stop loss because price shouldn't come down here. And this is a key lesson for me. I want you guys to remember one thing. Whatever trade that you're taking, doesn't matter what pair, doesn't matter what market, what's more important than actually making profits is to learn from your losses. Because once you learn from your losses, you naturally will make more profits. That's another thing. Note it down once again. Note it down in the book. Draw it on your forehead if you must. But just note it down. It's so important. But it doesn't matter whether you win or lose. As long as you learn from it for your next trade, you will get there. Okay, but obviously do not risk your whole account. It's dumb. Don't do that. Like, don't gamble. Okay, just don't gamble. Regardless, this is still something amazing. It's a day I want to note down. I'm making this video and I'm gonna upload it as soon as possible. YouTube, because it's not only value for you guys, but it's also value for me to rewatch and relive the experience I'm experiencing right now. I'm like losing my head, losing my brain. I don't think I'll be trading today because like psychologically I am not fit to trade. I'm excited, I'm all giggity and stuff. But see, this is what I'm talking about. Remember I said like investors are going for safe haven just 23 minutes ago. I think I started stream longer than that. Let's check how long. We've been streaming for 23 minutes ago. Guys, this is not a joke. Pinpoint accuracy. Once again, everything happens for a reason. This is not a joke. I started 23 minutes. I'm not sure you guys can see right here 23 minutes ago, and TradingView was late. I started talking about this before you, so unfortunately TradingView kind of late. So copper prices are falling sharply while gold prices move as they risk assets and move towards safe haven and meet the fallout of regional banking crisis. What did I say, guys? What did I just say? This I need to film this for the Instagram. So if you guys are not following the Instagram just yet, you guys should definitely follow, because everything I do that is not live on Twitch or YouTube is on this Instagram. Quickly wipe my camera. Higher quality. Okay. Doing this live, it doesn't matter. Okay. Right, let's go. Alright guys, something crazy just happened. I was streaming live for, look, what's the time? I was streaming live for 24 minutes, right? 24 minutes. And I was explaining why gold was crashing. I was explaining why not gold was crashing. I was explaining why. Oh, wait, let me refilm that. I kind of messed up. So okay, wait, let me fully set the chart first. You're seeing me mess up in real time. Amazing. Oh, this is mad. Okay, let's go. Alright guys, something crazy just happened. I'm looking at you right now. I was live for, what's the timer? Fuck, I keep missing the timer. 25 minutes. And look what TradingView just posted. Within this live stream, I was explaining why gold was shooting up. Okay? Why gold was shooting up and how it perfectly tested the area that we were looking for the previous stream. Okay? And look what happened exactly 25 minutes ago. TradingView was super late. Gold risers, investors moved towards safe havens. I said it before TradingView even mentioned it. This is amazing. Alright, guys, you shouldn't miss any more of these lives because there's so much gems, so much information to come, and you're just missing out. I hope you get FOMO from this because you're really missing out. And even the video, the analysis, we talked about the key retest area. Was I wrong? Watch before it's too late? It's too late now.
Guys, so
okay.
Just happened. It was live.
Okay, let me quickly save that. Let me quickly save that and then I'll turn off my screen because I just wanna talk to you guys for a little bit. Really important. Access this. But yeah, this you guys can note this down. 15 March 2023. This is something mental, and I'm sorry, TradingView, you're late to the party. But this comes to prove that our streams, CBFX trading, is not a joke. Although we may make jokes here and there, it is not a joke. So serious. I'm even gonna pull this up, zoom it bigger. This is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. This is very, very serious. And I hope you guys see the value in this and believe that whatever we're saying right here is full of gems. If you guys don't believe us, it's okay, you'll just miss out. That's completely fine by me. And just remember, like, subscribe, share. Peace out.